Hey guys, it's James at Workshop Software. How you doing? Again, middle of coronavirus challenges that we've got going on now. Just wanted to give you another tips and tricks around, how we can get through this. We want to, survive this current challenge. How do we grow? How do we get out the other end and thrive? I want to set you up at the end of this. We're going to thrive through this. We will get through this, guys. Now, as business owners, we're the commanders of our business, right? I know these can be really challenging, really, difficult times for business owners. Now, as business owners, we need to make sure that our mindset, is as best as it possibly can. Completely understand, guys, that sometimes this can be really challenging, but we've got to show our teammates, we've got to show our customers, we've got to be showing our suppliers even about how well we've got our mindset set. So, as the commander, what are we dealing with? We've got to deal with facts, okay? Let's cut out all of the crap that's out there, okay? Cut out all of the hype, all of that sort of stuff. What are the facts? What are the facts of this current crisis that we're in? Now, if you're going to deal with facts, it will give you the right mindset to be able to go, okay, I can deal with facts, okay? My suggestion to you, well, sorry if that was a big bump on the mic. My suggestion to you is to turn off the news, all right? What I suggest you watch is the press conferences, the releases of what the government is saying about this sort of stuff. If you're in Australia, Scott Morrison, for example, Josh Frydenberg as the Treasurer, that sort of thing. They're delivering, the Health Minister, that sort of stuff. They are delivering pieces of information to us as a nation. I suggest you watch that in its entirety. The news people, they want to get a grab. They want to get the hype out of this. Let's remove all the crap, right? Watch the proper stuff that you're going to watch, or turn it off, okay? Deal with the facts. I'm not suggesting that we're not informed, right? Go to the right places to get your information. Go to the actual source of the health sites, and find out the actual information about what's going on. So this will help us change our mindset. What can we command around facts? As from a mindset perspective, what is it that we're saying to our team? How are we communicating to our team? How are we communicating with our customers? We really, honestly, should be doing this probably every day, maybe even multiple times a day. Guys, this is what's going on. These are the facts. We're still operational, for example. Until we hear otherwise, we're smashing out what we're going to do. If you're not operational or you're a bit challenged at the moment, what are you preparing for? Right now, I've seen a couple of my restaurant mates, for example, they're going, okay, well, my restaurant's closed. Okay, for the next month or whatever it might be, we're now preparing for a reopen. What does it mean for you as a business? What's the preparation that you're going to put in place for making this happen? So plan, right? Not panic. Let's not panic. Panic is not going to get us anywhere. I get that it's super challenging in these times, guys, but let's not panic. We have to put a plan in place to get to the other side. Those that do the right thing, those that are using the best tools, those that put the best plans together, those that communicate are going to be the guys that are going to get through this at the other end, and you're going to thrive once we get out the other side. So think about what's in your mind. I know it's challenging, but that mindset that you guys can have, that you will it will be instilled in your team. It'll be instilled in your customers. If you can have some sort of level of confidence or facts, these are challenging times. Maybe confidence is lost a little. That's fine, but let's make sure that we're dealing in facts and we're articulating that to our customers and to our team members, to maybe even suppliers, as I say, that sort of thing. Speak to your advisors, speak to your accountant, speak to your bank, speak to, the tax office if you need to, any of those sorts of places. Catch my other video about the tax incentives, those sorts of things. There's lots of things and lots of things that are on offer for assistance and help. So, we can get through this. We're going to power through this, guys. We will get to the other end. And what I want to help you to do is once we do get through this, how can we set ourselves up to thrive at the other end? Hope you find this valuable. Cheers. Stay safe. Stay healthy.